Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? Alright, it is time to put the Eufy 25C through the stress test. I always start these robots with a big test because let's be honest, who wants to see a robot go around and just pick up everyday dust and debris? It's going to be boring, and pretty much any robot vacuum can do that if you do it daily. So I like to start these off with a bang. This is my stress test. This is going to be the 11th robot I've put through the same test, and some did good, some did bad. I really do think this is going to do a very good job, and I'm very curious if this $99 robot is one at the end of this. I'm going to say I think everybody should own this robot vacuum. So let's check out the mess. Same exact mess as all the other 10 tests. We have some chips, we have 12 jelly beans, we have 5-inch hair, 8-inch hair, and then a bunch of rice. So for a $100 robot, if this thing does this job really well, it's going to be quite impressive. I think it's going to do really good. I do. So the past 10 tests, I've done the same stress test. Every single vacuum I put on its highest setting, and I had it run 2 times just because of the size of the mess. So this one in the app, you cannot change it to the highest setting. However, it will automatically boost its suction when it detects carpet. So that's good. All right, so I'm gonna tell this guy to clean. Here's the app. And instead of just having it clean for the entire hour or so that it'll clean, I'm gonna have it clean twice with a 30-minute. Because the 30 minutes for this small area should be plenty. And I think it's gonna look great after the first run. But like I said, I've made all these do 2 runs. I don't know, I have very high hopes for this $100 robot. I really do think it's gonna do an awesome job. Remember, this one's random navigation, so it's just gonna bounce off the walls. But with this being a small area, it's gonna go over the same exact area multiple times, therefore doing a very good job picking up all the stuff. So this one has 1500 PA suction as its max, and that's pretty good. It's not great. There's a lot of vacuums now that have 3000 or so, but you're gonna be paying double if not triple the retail price of this guy. So like I said, I'm gonna let this run for 30 minutes. I will set this down and record it, and then I will speed it up for you guys so you're not bored for 30 minutes. And we will take a look at how it does. All right, guys, the Eufy 25C is done. A 30-minute job. And remember, this thing's $100 at Walmart right now. So let's see how it did. From what I can see, I am extremely pleased with a simple one-time run for 30 minutes. This thing has the potential to run for about an hour before it goes back and charges. So let's check out this carpet. I mean, it looks perfect, almost perfect. Couple grains of rice, which not a big deal considering it only ran once. Remember, all those robots in that other stress test, they ran 2 times on their max suction. And a lot of those were smart robots. So, I mean, as you can see, there's very, very little left. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna run this the second time, because I can guarantee if I ran that another 30 minutes, there wouldn't be a grain of rice anywhere. I am massively impressed with a $100 robot. Now remember, it's 100, I think. So it's at Walmart, it's a Black Friday special. I don't know how long it's gonna be at $100. I think even the retail, I believe, is $149. Even at the $149 price, if you have a small house or you plan to do room by room cleaning like this, this thing is absolutely awesome. Way to go. I've tested out other robots that are at the $100 mark and under, and they're absolute trash. They don't even have a brush rolling bar like this and all the other higher end robots. This thing's even somewhat smart, meaning it can connect to your app for $100. I mean, look at this, it speaks for itself. You saw that mess before this test. 30 minutes. And like I said, I could have had it clean until the battery died. And if I did that, I 100% guarantee this little tiny bit that's left would be gone. Bravo, Eufy, bravo. I think if anybody watching this is on the fence of a robot vacuum, at least give this guy a try. I do not think anybody will return this to get a whopping $100 back. It's amazing. And I'm not saying this, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I actually bought this from Walmart with my own money. So, like, wow, awesome. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I'll put a link down in the description. I don't have any type of ties with Walmart at all, so I don't get any type of commission or anything like that if you guys decide to buy this. It's more to help you guys out. But if you don't mind, to help me out for helping you out, smash that like button and subscribe. I always post deals on robot vacuums, and I'm as honest as I can be with the outcome of this. And this one speaks for itself. There's not one of you that can say it did a bad job for $100. It did just as good. Remember the Shark AI? That's a $500 robot. And in 30 minutes, this thing did a better job than that. And that's a smart robot. Like, no joke, it's that freaking good. Now, in the next video, I will do a larger floor plan. Maybe I'll do, this space once again. Then I'll open this up. I'll say hi there, i7 Plus. Open this up, as well as this room I finally got cleaned. And now I can run some robots in here to make the test bigger. So I'll probably do a test where I incorporate these basically 3 different sections. We'll see how it does with, this is probably a typical small house or an apartment. And then if it does a really good job on that, then I'll open it up to my entire floor plan, where that is where I think it will start to fail. Big floor plan, it can't handle it. It's just not smart, and it doesn't know where it's been. So big floor plan, I would not recommend this unless you plan to block off like half of it at a time, recharge, and then set it over to the new area. And then it'll probably do awesome. And remember, I'm giving away one of these I'll put a link down in the description for that video giveaway. And then the other one, I'm very happy to see how good this is. This particular one you're looking at now is going to my mom for Christmas because she has been wanting a robot vacuum. Yeah, awesome job. I couldn't ask more for a $100 robot. Speaks for itself. Amazing job. Let me know down in the comments what other tests you want to see with this guy. Let's real quick check out its dirt bin. I forgot. And then we'll see how it does with hair. Oh, wow. That's pretty dang good. And keep in mind, this room we're sitting in is one of my main test rooms. So this thing is always getting vacuumed by all my different robot vacuums. And so this dirt that you see, this is deep down in the carpets. This is actually sucking up a lot of dirt. Because I can guarantee this amount of dirt did not accumulate over the last couple of days. So as you can see, that is a lot of the hair as well, but a lot of dirt as well. So let's go ahead and check out the rollers. Now this is where I think it's going to be its first negative. I think there's going to be a lot of hair wrapped up in this guy, but I could be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Let's take a look. Yeah, so there's going to be the first negative. There's not like a ton of it. I didn't put down a ton of hair, but I put down a lot more than this. So it did get quite a bit into the bin. But remember, I also did 8-inch hair and 5-inch hair. So this could be the 8-inch hair that's kind of stuck in there. But it does come with a little cutter. And when they include that cutter, they're pretty much admitting that it's going to have hair in the brush roll. And that's totally to be expected of $100, really any robot that's under 200 bucks. So still very impressed. Not the best with hair, but everything else it just did was amazing. I am very happy with this. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe if you're into robot vacuums. This channel is awesome for that. I come out with new robot vacuums all the time. I have another one boxed up in the other room that you guys have not even seen yet, and that's going to be unboxed really soon. And then I'm going to do the same exact test you just saw with that one, and then as well as other tests opening up the floor plan, and so on and so forth. So once again, let me know down in the comments what else you want to see with this guy. And thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.